Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. So in today's video, we are going to talk about cell reference in Excel. So what is cell reference? Basically, a cell reference refer to a cell or a range of cells on a worksheet that can be used in a formula so that Microsoft Excel can find that value or data that you want that formula to calculate. So now cell reference are of three types. First one is the relative cell reference, second one is the absolute cell reference, and the third one is a little bit advanced, which is the mixed cell reference. So in this video, we are just going to talk about relative cell reference. So now what is relative cell reference? Relative cell reference is nothing but the reference that one cell takes from another cell. Suppose you want to write some formula here, and here you want the other remaining cells as well to calculate that same formula which is written onto this cell here without allowing you to type that formula repeatedly on this cells here. So now this saves a lot of time when you're dealing with big data, when you're dealing with big tables, things like that. So let's see what relative reference looks like. I have created a small table for you. Here our table is for months. Here I've written months. Here I've written total income according to the months. Here I've written the total expenses. So what are the expenses on these specific months? Then I've made a column for net income. So here net income is empty right now. So we'll be using a relative reference to fill this net income. So how we will calculate the net income? To calculate the net income, we will be subtracting the expenses from our total income. So for that, let's say you want to write a formula onto this first cell here in our net income. So for that, what you can do is you can just click onto that. You can just select onto that cell. And right now you're working on G3 cell. Now, if you want to write a formula, how you can write the formula? You need to type equals, and after writing equals, now I want to subtract this 13,500 from this 30,000. So how I can write the formula? I can just specify the cell from which I want to subtract. So I can just directly write E3. So if I write E3 minus, if I write F3, so this will do is this will minus 13,500 from 30,000. So this is the one way of writing a formula, or for a precise way, if you are having difficulty to navigate to the cell name, what you can do is I'll just delete this. After writing equals, you can just select the cell. So you can just select the cell by clicking onto it. So I want this cell. For instance, I want this cell. So I'll just click onto this, and this will write automatically that cell name for me onto a formula. Now, if I press minus onto my keyboard, and if I press my second cell here, so this will complete my formula. So this is the easy way for writing formulas onto your cell. And if I press enter here, now this will calculate me the net income. So 13,500 minus 30,000, it gave me 16,500. So this will be a net income for January. So now I have written one formula here. So if I double click onto that, you can see the formula which is written onto a particular cell. So now I want to calculate the rest of the net income for the rest of the months. So instead of writing again the formula, what I can do is I can just select onto this cell here, which has the formula onto it already. And you see here carefully, if I bring my cursor at the corner of this cell here, the right bottom corner of this cell here, which is selected, you see our cursor is changing from this big plus sign to this thin plus sign, thin black plus sign. So once it changes, you need to click and hold onto the corner of the cell, and then you can just drag onto the other cells. And when you release the left mouse button, you see it calculated automatically all the net income for me for our rest of the expenses and total income or rest of the months. So this is what we call relative reference. So what happened here? Now this cell got the reference from this cell and they calculated with the same formula here. So in this case, it was doing E3 minus F3. Now in this case, it will do E4 minus F4. Now here as well, E5 minus F5. Here E6 minus F6. Here E7 minus F7. So this is what we call relative reference. This is how you can calculate big tables using one formula using relative reference. Now this has a shortcut as well. Now instead of dragging from the corner of the cell, what you can do is I'll just delete this again and I'll delete this as well. So now suppose you want to fill up 1000 cells. So what you can do is you can just select the multiple cells or the 1000 cells at once, and then you can just start directly typing the formula for the first one. So equals, select this one, then minus, then select this one. And now instead of pressing enter, I'll just press Control plus enter. So what this will do is this will automatically complete the formula for my rest of the cells which are selected. Now this will help me to apply the formula, the same formula to all the cells that I have selected. So this is what we call relative reference. So this is what I wanted to discuss with you guys in this video. In our coming video, we'll be talking about absolute reference. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you in the next one. So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and if you like it, then tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, then post them in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear those doubts. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we post our new video. Thank you. Happy learning.